to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so guys, I want to plug you on something. Yeah. I'm coming. Let me read this stuff. So if you are in Canada, if you are in the abroad, yeah, Canada, England, Europe, anywhere, America, in fact, Australia, and you are craving snails, right? First Reina Integrity Food is a plug. Yeah. So she stays in Nigeria. Yeah, I'm going to put her phone number on the screen. She stays in Nigeria. Then she sends me snail and dried fish, panda. I don't like fish. This is the only fish I like. Yeah. Yeah, so she sends it to me. It's very affordable, guys. Like, very affordable. I kid you not. And I'm sure you'll be wondering, would the snail spoil? Would the fish spoil? Anyway, so it's dried. So by the time she sends it, she sends them dried. You can see. It's dried, right? Yeah. And yeah, like I said, it's affordable. It's affordable. She sends them dried. When you get it, when you get there, for the snail, you soak it. Me, I usually do mine overnight. I soak them overnight, right? So that it can swell up, you understand? Yeah, and you're good to go with the fish as well, right? It's not just snail and fish she sells, different stuff. I'm going to put a number on the screen. Her name is Oinda Mom. I'm going to put a number on the screen, reach out to her, and yeah, just say you're from Esther. Okay, guys, do you guys watch South African shows? I feel like they are very nice, very good. Let me plug you guys on some ones. Savage Beauty, it's on Netflix. It's really nice. I really enjoyed it. So yesterday I got to find out about another one. Let me show you guys. And so far so good. It's been interesting. Like, let me show you guys. So it's called Fatal Seduction. It's on Netflix. It's really nice. Pardon me. The weather is hot. Jesus Christ, it's hot. And this is my apartment. Okay, so let me show you guys. In the living room here, they put AC. Let me show you guys. So, see, right? They put AC. Then during winter, I can switch it to be bringing it, right? So it works as AC and sitter in the living room, right? So tell me why in the bathroom, in the living room, what am I saying? In the bedroom, there's no AC, there's nothing, just heater. Let me show you the heater. This is the heater, right? That's it. So I remember when I came, like, it was just so weird to me that, okay, in the room, what will I be using? Like, how will I get form of coolness? Especially during summer, and this summer is so hot. Jesus Christ, very hot. So they said I should open, I should put on the AC here, and I should open the door of my room, so the AC here that is blowing will be entering my room. But the AC is here, right? My room to a corner. How is that possible? And this living room is very big, right? It's very big, and like, the living room has to cool first before entering the room. Like, it didn't just make sense. Before, I used to open like my window so that like breeze can enter my room. But like I said, the weather is so hot. Jesus Christ, like, there's no breeze. Anyway, the reason why I'm even ranting is because I bought like a fan, a tower fan. So let's unbox together. So I bought it. It's good. At least I won't be suffering in the night again. Like, this few past days, it's really been hot, and it's even, I don't know, because the AC is on, but like, it's cool, like AC coolness. It might be because of AC. Anyway, I'm about to do a video. Yeah, I'm about to do a sit down video. So yeah, I'll see you guys when next I carry my phone to vlog. Bye. So guys, I'm tired of these my braids. I'm so tired. Last night I cut my length. Then today I want to remove everything. And I feel like the weather is not even helping. To wash it on freedom at last. I was so tired. I was so tired of that braid. I was too tired. I'm so grateful for this beauty that is my hair. Before I get annoying with my hair. Anyway, you guys get the vibe. So this video will be like my hair routine, like what I do to my hair, like my wash day here. Literally, can you guys see? So beautiful. Look at this.
I'ma make it clear soon when I jumped on all those covers.
Okay, so I'm done washing my hair. It's still wet, so I'll go in with this hair mask. Okay, this hair mask. Massage so you can get to the roots of your hair. Let's do this for the last time. Steam my hair. Normally I do 30 minutes. Yeah, but it's been a moment since I steamed my hair, right? So I'll leave it for 1 hour. Yeah, so my hair can be properly steamed. So I got this hair steamer from Amazon. Yeah, so this is what I'll be using. And this came with it as well. So you put this first, then lock it in, then you plug it. It has high, there's high, low, and off. So I think I use high or low, I don't even know, but yeah, this is what I do. So I'm going to leave this for my hair for 1 hour, right? And I'll see you guys when it's 1 hour, in 1 hour's time. Currently steaming my hair. Okay, so I'm done washing my hair. Yeah, I'm done steaming. Then I washed my hair. So now I'm going to go in with a leave-in conditioner. Yeah. This I got it from Nigeria. The lady that does my hair says it's nice, so I just started using it. This leave-in conditioner. Then this cream too, I just like it. Also from Nigeria. Yeah. So go with the leave-in conditioner. This and this. Yeah, and we'll call it a day. So I'll put it. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.